Hey, everyone. This is the continuation of exercise number 2.1. Okay, I gotta write a program that fills the screen horizontally and vertically with your name. Okay, so hint, add the option add equals to that into the print function to fill the screen horizontally. Okay, so how can I go about doing that? I can do the following. Again, from the next few chapters, you guys, I won't be doing this stuff in front of you. By stuff, I mean saving the file, because by then I would assume that you know how it's done. It's just that now, for now, I don't want to make any assumptions whatsoever. Okay, so I'll go. Oops, I'm still on this exercise, just that I want to change it from A to B. Now I can do this for int my index in range I'll start from 1 to 51, and then I'll go okay, now this time around I'll put my surname, you guys. Let me go Kanyile, and I'll make use of that. Okay, this is gonna print my name. You see that loop right there? Perhaps let me rename that from row index, from my index to row index. Now let me create another one which I'll call column index in range. I wanna do this 18 times. Okay, now that I've got that out of the way, I can print okay, that right there is responsible for that's the inner loop right there. I've got a nested loop here, you guys. I've got an outer loop and an inner loop. The inner loop is responsible for the columns, whereas the outer loop is responsible for the rows. And once, suppose you see, at first we're gonna display the name Kanyile 18 times in the first row. Immediately once we're down, I wanna go to the next line, so I'll do that by using the print statement without any arguments. Using the print function without any arguments, I will then go to the next row, so on and so forth, you guys. Now let me hit the run button and see what we get. Again, remember, you guys, it's all about learning by watching me solving problems in different ways. Okay, you know what, same thing, just like before. I need to put a space over there. I can put it over there, don't make any difference. You see, again, we have precisely what we want. And again, the window here will affect my output. The size of my window will affect my output. But again, we do have what was required of us, which is to display the name horizontally. I mean, the name all over the screen. Okay, this is it right here. That's my name. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. The takeaway here, you guys, is you can use nested for loops to achieve whatever you wanna do. It's not like we limited to only using 2 for loops, though. We can use as much as we want depending on the problem on hand. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.